Okay, so let's start question 4, which is cash management and control, bank reconciliation. Now, the best way to start this question is to start with the balances. Okay, so here we have to adjust two set of books: cash at bank, general ledger, and bank statement. Okay, so how do we get the opening balance for cash at bank general ledger? Now, in order to get the opening balance, you go back to the previous bank reconciliation, which is 21,700. So that is the opening balance of cash at bank. So cash at bank opening balance. Okay, why is it not recording? Sorry, 20. All right, that's fine. Let's write this down. Opening balance, which is 21,700. 21,700. Okay, and then we need to make adjustments to our cash receipts and cash payments journals. Okay, for cash receipts and cash payments. Now keep in mind, so there are transactions recorded by the bank first, such as interest receipts, direct deposits, bank fees, bank charges, return checks. And we need to make adjustments to our cash receipts and cash payments for those transactions. So let's start with the first one, which is return check, 2,300. Now, return check is also called dishonored check. Now, do we adjust our bank statement or our cash at bank general ledger? For return checks, you need to adjust your cash receipts journal. So what we need to do is return checks appear on the debit side of the bank statement, and we need to subtract it from the cash receipts balance. So adjustments, okay, what we have here. Okay, we less return check, 2,300. Now, interest receipts are cash receipts. Now, interest receipts are recorded by the bank first. So direct deposits, interest receipts are recorded by the bank first, and you need to add these amounts to cash receipts journal balance. So you add interest receipts to the cash receipts journal balance, and that gives you the adjusted amount, which is 14,550. Okay, so before we move on to cash payments adjustments, let me go through the bank statement first. Now keep in mind, when there's a positive balance in the bank account, it will be shown as a credit because the bank owes the business money. So all deposits and receipts appear in the credit column of the bank statement, and all payments appear, in the debit column of the bank statement. Okay, so let's check for bank fees or charges. Yeah, there you go. So we have bank charges, bank fees, interest charges are recorded by the bank first. So you need to adjust the cash payments journal. What we have here, we add bank fees or bank charges, interest fees, interest charges. We also add direct debit payments because direct debit payments are recorded by the bank first. Now guys, what's this bank error? Okay, let's go back to our additional information. Sorry, wrong page. Additional information. Right, now it says number 1, comparison of the presented checks with the entries in the cash payments journal. Disclose that check number 3525, $2,500 for rent expense, had been incorrectly recorded by the business as 3,000. Okay, so the actual payment of 2,500 was recorded by the bank correctly. However, the business recorded this payment as 3,000. So the correct payment should have been 2,500, but the business recorded this as 3,000. So business overstated the payment by 500. Okay, in case of overstatement, what do you need to do? So this relates to cash payments, so you need to subtract $500 from the cash payments balance. That's what we've done here. You less book error, which is a business error, 500. Okay, so what's the adjusted balance? 8,800. You add 100, which is 8,900. You less 500. That gives you the adjusted total of 8,400. Okay, so the adjusted balance of cash receipts is posted to the debit side of the cash at bank general ledger, and the adjusted balance of the cash payments, which is 8,400, is posted to the credit side of the cash at bank general ledger. Okay, so cash receipts, cash receipts journal, which is 14,000. Did I get that right or did I get that wrong? I think it's 14,550. 550, 31, 5, 31, 5. Okay, let me erase this thing. Okay, right. Cash payments journal, 8,400. Why can't I write it here? Yeah, sorry, it's already been written as 8,400. $8,400. Okay, so what's the balance? Yep, so balance. So the balancing amount is 27,850. The total is 36,250. The closing balance is 27,850. This also becomes the opening balance for the next period, which is, okay, let me 16. So after we adjust our bank after we adjust our bank statement, we should get the same balance here. All right, so let's start our bank reconciliation. Now, in order to start our bank reconciliation, we need to record the bank balance. Now, which balance do we take? It's taken from the bank statement. We take 28,900. That is a balance as per bank statement. There you go, 28,900. Now, we need to look for transactions recorded in the cash receipts and cash payments, but not in the bank statement. Okay, first let's go back to the previous bank reconciliation. As you can see, there are unpresented checks. Now, what are unpresented checks? Unpresented checks are payments in which the business has recorded but the bank has not processed yet. Okay, let's start with check number 3509 for $600. Is it recorded by the bank this month? Cash payments 3509. As you can see, 3509 does not appear in the bank statement, so it's still unpresented. 3509, it's still unpresented. 600. Okay, next let's check for 3510. Check number 3510, 800. Is it recorded by the bank? 3510. As you can see, it's not processed by the bank yet, so it is still unpresented. You minus that amount. What about 3520? Is it recorded by the bank? 3520. Yep, it's there. It's recorded by the bank. So you can tick that. Okay, now let's move on to our cash payments and check if these checks are recorded by the bank. Check number 3521. Yeah, it is recorded by the bank. 3522. It is recorded by the bank. 3523. It is recorded by the bank. 3524. It is recorded by the bank. 3525. As you can see, the business made an error, but 3525 is recorded by the bank at the correct amount, so we don't need to make any adjustments. 3526 is recorded by the bank, as you can see here. 3526 is recorded by the bank. 3527 is not recorded by the bank, so it's unpresented. For 550. 3528. Is this recorded by the bank? Yeah, it's recorded by the bank. Check number 3529. Is it recorded by the bank? Yep, it's recorded by the bank. Check number 3530. It's not recorded by the bank, so it's still unpresented. Now let's compare. Sorry, where is it? It's here, 3530, unpresented. Now let's check for receipts or deposits recorded by the business but not processed by the bank. So there are no deposits from the previous bank reconciliation, so you don't need to worry about it. Now let's move on to our cash receipts journal. Let's check these deposits appear in the bank statement. $2,000. It's recorded by the bank on the credit side. 700. Yeah, it appears. 850. It appears as well. 1500. Yep, it appears. Sorry, here. $600 deposit on 13th of May. It appears. You don't need to worry about the dates, just check because the bank may take a day or two. Yep. And 2000 appears. So guys, all these deposits appear except for this one. And this is what we call outstanding deposits. And you have that. And that's how we get the adjusted balance, which is 27,850. All right, I'll go through the next question in the next video. Thanks.